Tired of chasing down clients for payments? Ever dreamt of getting paid on the spot, right there on the job site? Well, your dreams might be about to come true. If you're a Housecall Pro user, you've probably heard about the card reader. But how do you actually set it up and start swiping? That's what we're diving into today. Let's face it, running a service-based business is tough. There's the constant hustle to find new clients, the stress of managing your team, and then there's the dreaded task of collecting payment. Invoices get lost, checks bounce, and let's not even talk about the endless phone calls. It's enough to make anyone want to pull their hair out. But what if there was a way to streamline this whole process? Enter the Housecall Pro card reader. Imagine this, you finish a job, you hand over an invoice, and with a simple swipe, you get paid instantly. No more waiting, no more chasing, just pure satisfaction. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Setting up your Housecall Pro card reader might seem daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. And that's exactly what we're going to break down today. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. From unboxing your shiny new card reader to syncing it with your Housecall Pro app, we've got you covered. We'll even show you some tips and tricks to make the most of this handy tool. By the end of this video, you'll be a card reader pro, ready to take on the world, or at least your local market with confidence. So, grab your card reader, your phone, and a little bit of patience. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox this thing. You should find the card reader itself, a charging cable, and maybe some handy little instructions. Take a moment to admire your new piece of business equipment. It's like a little money-making machine. Before we dive into the setup, let's make sure your card reader is fully charged. Plug it in and give it some juice. While it's charging, let's talk about the Housecall Pro app. Make sure you have the latest version downloaded and ready to go. Now it's time to pair your card reader with the app. Open up Housecall Pro and navigate to the settings section. Look for the card reader option and follow the prompts. It should be pretty intuitive, but we'll walk through it together just in case. Once your card reader is paired, it's time to test it out. Create a dummy invoice and try running a test transaction. This will help you get familiar with the process and make sure everything is working smoothly. Don't worry, we won't charge you for this. It's just a practice run. Now that you've got the basics down, let's talk about some tips and tricks to maximize your card reader's potential. For instance, did you know you can set up recurring payments? Or that you can offer customers the option to tip? These features can be a game changer for your business. There you have it. You're now officially a card reader expert. By following these steps, you're well on your way to streamlining your payment process, improving cash flow, and ultimately, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy swiping.